Good evening, everyone. It is April 18th. I got one sale out today. Um, it is a black digitizer touchscreen. Sits right here. It's for an LG G2. I had this for actually couple years, probably about 5 years. I remember when I had the G2 and my phone screen broke. I called myself to replace it. I ordered this from eBay, and I got it. I never put it together on my phone, and I've just had it for all these years and never used it. So I just put it back on eBay, probably 2 weeks ago, maybe, and it sold for $8.49 plus free shipping. So I'm going ahead just sending this on out. Well, Monday, today's Saturday, but that's pretty much it for today. Um, if anything else come around, I'll let y'all know. Thank you for watching. What's up, y'all? April 19th, late night of the day, well, the evening. I got a sale. It's kind of funny too. So this particular item I sold on OfferUp. I listed it today, and it sold today. But at the same time, I have it listed on eBay, and I didn't get a chance to take it down off of eBay, and they ended up selling it on eBay. So I ended up canceling the order on eBay, and the guy ended up messaging me, asking why I canceled it, and I told him why. And so we, go back and forth. And I told him if I find another one, I'll keep them in mind. But I didn't think of things to sell. But he told me that he had one before, and he sold it. He had to sell it, and it sold within like 10 minutes of him listing it. So I'm like, wow. So pretty much this is going to be something that's going to be on my mind whenever I'm sourcing. So what I have here is a vintage Peter J. Michaels hand finished razor stroke. When I got this, I didn't know what this was, even though I looked it up. But I only did like a brief lookup, and I still kind of didn't know what it was, and I really didn't kind of care. I just know I saw it on eBay selling, and it sold. So after it ended up selling, I ended up really looking it up and finding out. I kind of knew what it was this whole time without knowing. I mean, I only say that I don't know exactly what it was. I just know from a movie that I watched. Actually, it was Color Purple when they used one of these. That's when it hit me. I'm like, oh, okay, now I know what this is. But so hopefully I could find these on the regular, or at least stumble across a couple more throughout the time. But I sold this for what I had a list on OfferUp for $45. They sent me an offer for $40, and I took it. And I spent $11.96 for this. So, and I had it on eBay for $39.99 plus shipping. So I pretty much was coming out the profit range around the same. So I could have went to eBay and did that way, but this buyer already came across first, so go with the first thought. But everything other than that, that was pretty much it. So hopefully I can find another one of these type of things. So I mean, the buyer messaged me, and we talked a couple messages, and he wanted me to roll this up and put it in the box. So I'm gonna do that. It's kind of thick, so I don't know how good of a roll I could do this, but I'm gonna figure something out. But I guess that's another learning experience of me knowing how to, I guess, people care for these, because I really didn't have no idea. Because if we bend this up, which is already kind of already bent since I got it, but it's still good. It don't have a crease, so I didn't know it could easily get a crease in it and pretty much to be worthless. So for all that said, thank y'all for watching. If I have anything else coming across, that would be great. And that's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later. Peace.